In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force stop application or app in your Android phone. You can use two methods to force stop app in your phone. For the first method, just open up your settings app. After that, scroll all the way down. Then go to apps option. Now from here, find the app that you want to force stop. Suppose if I select Facebook, and that's it. At the bottom, you can see force stop option. Just tap here, then tap on OK. And it's done. Now the app has been stopped successfully. Now for the second method, just close settings app and then go to app screen and then choose the app that you want to force stop. If you want to stop the app, just touch and hold it, then tap on this info icon, and that's it. You can also force stop app from here. Just tap here, then tap on OK, and it's complete. And that is how you can force stop app in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.